Hello student, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we will be discussing chapter 6, the three orders, as chapter 5 is not in your syllabus. First, we will discuss about feudalism. What was feudalism? क्या था feudalism? The new social and economic system that arose in European countries in the medieval age is generally known as feudalism or the feudal system. The word feud originally meant a fief or land. Feud का मतलब होता है a piece of land given on the condition of service. Under the system, all the land and administration was entrusted to the feudal lords. It were the feudal lords and not the king who played a vital role in the administration of the country. You know, children, in the European countries, the society was divided into three parts: clergies, nobles and the common people. तो ये जो किंग हुआ करते थे, नोबल्स को बड़े बड़े लैंड दिया करते थे इन रिटर्न ऑफ देयर सर्विस. It were the feudal lords, not the king, who played a vital role in the administration of the country. Feudalism may be described as a complete organization of society through the medium of land tenure in which from the king to the lower landowner all are bound together by obligation to service and defense. The lord to protect the vessel. Now there is a word coming, vessel. Vessel means peasant. जो लॉर्ड्स हुआ करते थे उनका काम था जो उनके अंडर में जो पीजेंट होते उनकी देखभाल करना. द वेसल टू डू सर्विस टू हिज लॉर्ड. और जो वेसल होते थे, पीजेंट होते थे, उनका काम था लॉर्ड की सर्विस करना. इन इट देयर वाज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट between the king, the nobles and the vassal. The word lord is coming for the nobles. It was an important feature of life in the Middle Age. The whole life of the European nation during the Middle Age were shaped by feudalism. It was a dominant social system in the French society. We will take the example of France, in which the nobility held land from the crown in exchange of military service. जो नोबल्स थे उनके पास बड़े बड़े लैंड थे. ये लैंड उनको कौन देता था? क्राउन. क्राउन मीन्स द किंग. क्यों? इन एक्सचेंज for military service, and vessels were tenants on land protected by the nobles, and in return giving their lords homage, labor and share of their produce. और जो लॉर्ड्स के पास यानी कि जो नोबल्स के पास लैंड हुआ करते थे उनके ऊपर पीजेंट काम किया करते थे और बदले में जो नोबल्स हुआ करते थे वो पीजेंट की प्रोटेक्शन किया करते थे. फ्यूडल लॉर्ड डिड नॉट वर्क ऑन देयर लैंड. जो फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स होते थे, नोबल्स होते थे, वो अपने लैंड पर काम नहीं करते थे. एंड दिस वर्क वॉज गॉट डन बाय द पीजेंट. फ्रॉम द क्राउन टू द स्मॉलेस्ट फ्यूडल लॉर्ड्स all were dependent on the labor done by the peasant. From the crown to the smallest feudal lord, all were dependent on the labor done by the peasant.